Hey everyone, I wanted to show you today how to complete your assignment for the copy of E1 Transportations in Georgia, the PowerPoint here. So what you need to do is click on the PowerPoint. Once you do that, it's going to open up and your PowerPoint should look like this. Transportation of Georgia. Do not put it in presenter mode. You're going to keep it in this mode as you kind of work through it. As you work through it, you are going to be completing your assignment in this PowerPoint. So what you need to do is go through, you'll read, it says click on the image to learn more. When you click on the image, it's going to, well, it should pull up a website. Sorry. You don't have to right click. Nope, just kidding. It will. Give me a second. I can see the website if it would actually work. There's the website right there. You need to click on that website when it comes up. If it's easier to get to the website, then you can put it in presenter mode from the current slide. You can click on that picture and it should take you to the internet to where it's wanting you to read through this article right here or this video, whichever one it is. There is a video for you to watch right here. So it's wanting you to watch that. That's fine. But when you get to the next slide and it's asking you to type in, it has to be in the edit mode, which is like this. You've got the slides on the side right here. You come to the slide and this way you can type in the box. Okay, that's simple. So you're going to use stuff from the previous slide to answer the questions right here in this box. You need to continue doing that for each slide. You can highlight. It says control click to follow the link. So if control click is what I just hit on my dashboard. Let's see if it will do this. Look, see, there you go. It's loaded the next video. You need to watch it, and then you come back here and again answer the questions simply by typing in it. Okay? You're going to continue doing this throughout the entire PowerPoint. It will tell you, again, you can hit the control button and you can click your mouse pad and it's going to open up any picture. If it says click on the image to learn more, it will open that up. You scroll through, you watch the video on it. You need to fill in all the boxes. It says highlight the text below. Again, you're just going to take it. Sorry, this computer's not my normal computer, so it's going to take a minute. Take it, highlight. You can go to the home button and click the highlighter, and it will change the color of that. It says click on the images to learn more. Again, type in the boxes. And then it says do a little research on how it's directly and indirectly related. When you finish all of this, this slide right here. Sorry, on this slide, I want you to take this check mark and you just move the check mark to where the correct answers are. You can come in. I'm just recording my video for the kids. The thing that you need to do when you finish everything is click the file button, hit save as, make sure you save your document, and then you are going to upload it to me for submission.